We are recording.
Hi,
So,
NAFSA 2021 workshop participants. My colleague Vanessa Martinez and I are going to try to walk you through the login process with Microsoft Teams.
I received an email inviting me to the team. I'm opening Microsoft Teams. And it takes me to this page where I can create a password.
And Vanessa, you opened
Display
this
name.
up in a browser, correct?
Yes, when I clicked on it, it opened up automatically in my default browser. So this is my display name. Next, check your email for a verification code. Okay. Here's my verification code. I'm going to put that in here and finish. Setting up my account.
Vanessa, we're almost there.
Yes, we are. Now I'm using a personal email here. So if that's not associated with any kind of Microsoft Teams account, so it can be different. Save, review permissions, accept.
So a person could conceivably have their institutional Microsoft Teams open in the app and
Yeah, so
this
if you see
open
here,
in
it
the app.
asks if I want to open Microsoft Teams. And that means, do I want to open the app? But I'm not going to open the app. I'm actually going to open it in the web instead. So it's going to open here in my browser, and that's going to allow me to have this account open while I still have my USF account open, which is what we are talking over right now. So this is what it will look like if as a guest on the team.
In the browser.
In
So
the browser.
you have your USF Teams account open separately, and now you're
In
opening
the
this,
desktop app.
yeah,
That's
the
right.
desktop app.
That's where we're having our meeting. And then now it's allowing me to join on the browser as a USF guest. So you can read through this, but here I am. Now I've got access to the team here in my browser, and I also have my regular institutional Teams and everything here open. So in the case that you're using the same email for both your Microsoft Teams account and for the guest account, there may be a different type of issue. In that case, you may be able to go up here to your profile and you may see something here that says switch accounts or switch organizations.
In the desktop app or in the browser?
In the desktop app.
Okay,
In the
so you're in your
desktop app.
institutional version, like your university
Yes, I'm
version.
in my desktop app signed in to my USF institution organization, whatever. And if I wanted to switch, it may be, I can't tell now, but you may be able to click here and switch your accounts. There may be something here that says switch org, switch accounts, but they've updated this, so I'm not sure. It may be possible, or you may need to use a personal account instead of the institutional account for this particular collaboration. That way people can have both open at the same time.
But if you are an institution that doesn't use Microsoft Teams for your daily work, then you should be able to use your institutional ID, kcarusin@usf.edu, for this NAFSA
Absolutely.
group.
Yes.
And Vanessa, when you go back to the NAFSA group, are you able to post and?
Yes, I am. I can start one here. Uh,
Excellent.
yeah, and I can upload files and everything.
Wonderful. Now we
Okay.
have to figure out how folks who can't get into this team can watch the video.
That's the next step. I'll help you with that. All right, I'm going to stop recording.
Thank you.
Mhm.